In this video we're going to show you how to fit the headlight conversion kit on the Euro 3 Herald Classic 125. Now these kits might fit other makes and models, but they were specifically designed for the Euro 3 Herald Classic 125 with the underslung headlight mount. Start by undoing the bolt on both sides of the seat with a 13mm socket. Then remove the seat. Undo the rear tank bolt with a 10mm socket. Then turn the tap off so it's horizontal and unplug the fuel line. You can now remove the tank. Unplug the 4-pin wiring connector as shown here and feed the wiring through. Undo the headlight, then remove it. This is our custom headlight. It's plug and play, so there's no need to pull it apart. Bolt the headlight on. And feed the wiring through. Put the headlight in the correct position and tighten the nut. Plug the connector in, pull the sheathing back over, then cable tie it together. Fit the tank back on. Plumb the fuel line back up and turn the fuel on. Tighten the rear tank mount back up. Then fit the seat back on. Tighten the rear seat bolts. Finally, check the lights come on and the side light, low beam and full beam all work. Now you'll be able to see much better. This kit converts it from a B20 bulb to a H4 bulb. It's far brighter and far better quality than the original. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. And remember, click the link and it'll take you straight to the product.